Hello everyone, welcome to smart-money.trade. Today we're going to analyze Coromandel International using our dynamic supply demand indicator. Let's just quickly apply our indicator and let's see what our levels are and what is the risk reward in for this particular trade. So let's turn on the trend. So we can clearly see the trend is bullish in all the higher time frames like daily, weekly and monthly, and the stock has opened at 893 on daily and closed above it weekly since it was the start of the week and month of the week, but the stock has closed above its opening price, so basically which is very bullish. And our trend is also indicating that all the time frames are bullish. So let's apply our dynamic supply demand indicator and see what our supply demand zones are and what our smart money lines are indicating. So we're going to turn it on. All right, there we go. So the white lines are smart money lines, and the zone between this green and the red line here, this is kind of a supply zone and this is a demand zone. So supply zone in technical terms, it's like resistance where bears will always try to keep the prices below it. But we can see that after the company announced the result on 28th or 29th of April, the stock has been kind of consolidating into supply zone, which is good because bears are not getting full control of it and bulls are trying to capture the area. So basically it's trying to consolidate in this area, plus we have multiple confluence lines around the level which suggests that there is a strong activity of accumulation going on. Plus our this new feature of developing smart money lines and smart supply demand zones is also indicating that the stock is kind of hovering around demand zone. So this is a demand zone here and this is a supply zone. So it's hovering around the demand zone here. So basically it looks like the stock want to eventually break out. But let's not predict where it will go. But what we have on our hands is pretty good levels. So any close below 907, or let's say give a 1 rupee buffer of 906 on a 15-minute time frame, we exit the trade and we can take the long trade provided if stock opens around the same levels here. If we get an entry around 908, 909, that would be the best possible opportunity to get long. But let's say if we don't get that and we get the stock open around like 912, 913, it is still good because we are expecting that stock can go into uncharted territory like breaking out to all-time new high. So yeah, the stop loss is pretty low, so it's around like, let's say even if it is like 906 and if we get around like 913, so that's like around like, let's say how much, 6 and then 4 and there 3 7 to 8 rupees stop loss, and we are expecting a pretty good up level. But let's say if stock opens around like 918 or 920, we're not going to chase the open. We're going to let the stock retest our levels of around like 916 to 914, and then we're going to enter. If it does not retest, we're not going to chase it. There might be another trade another day. But yeah, we don't chase it because if we chase it, our stop loss will increase and that's not good for our trading strategy. So yeah, the levels are pretty clear using our smart money lines and our dynamic supply demand indicator. Any close below 906 on a 15-minute time frame, we exit the long trade. If stock opens around the same level, we can enter around here 913 to 912. If it opens above 918, we're not going to chase it. We're going to wait for it to retest around this 916 to 914 levels, and then we're going to enter the trade. Hope you like our analysis for Coromandel International. If you like, please subscribe to our channel and send those likes. Hope you guys have a wonderful and profitable trading day today. Thank you.